Airplanes. I don't understand the fear to airplanes, yeah, you know. So, according to Google, from 10 million passengers, only 3.3 of them will die. I don't understand how can you divide a person into parts, so don't ask me. When I was like, I don't know, 9 to 10 years old, my family went to a family trip from Mexico City to Jalisco. And yes, I live in Mexico, so Viva Mexico. We went to a tour, we went to the beach, blah 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 blah. But I'm not here to talk about destiny, I'm here to talk about the trip. That's why I'm talking about airplanes. The plane arrived, we went to the airplane, my family started to talk, but I was the only one in total silence. And now you're asking, but why? I will only say something. Air crash investigation. The Discovery Channel TV program that recreates some of the most memorable aircraft accidents in history. And as the good boy I was, I literally, I don't know, saw like 100 episodes of it. Come on, I was crazy. But everything went correctly. We didn't lose an engine, we weren't abducted by aliens or something like that. And we have reached the end of the video. So, thanks for watching, I'll see you next time. Ciao!